Hi guys, welcome to Locust Street Cottage. I rearranged the bunny yard today. Let's go look. So the first thing that happened today is I looked out this morning and Mr. Quinn had escaped his hutch. And for the most part during the day he stayed in the yard. He did eventually make it to the front yard, but I rearranged the bunny yards here with the electric netting. So this is one 100-foot net, Premier One. And on their website they say it's for keeping rabbits and other varmints out of your garden. But as you can see, I arranged it in a figure 8 to enclose both the hutches. Between the yards that the boys and the girls go in, I doubled it up just to make sure nobody challenges the fence. Calico seems to be enjoying her new yard. Oh, you can't get to that green grass over there. So the fence is on, and so far the girls are really enjoying their yard time. I'm only going to leave them out for a couple hours, and then we'll do bunny breakfast, which will lure them back into their hutch. I love it when they get the zoomies. What do you think, Callie? Kitty was just running around like a maniac, round in circles. Quinn had so much fun today, he's exhausted. He even got chased by Pockets, the dachshund. One thing I've been surprised by in my couple months of owning rabbits now is how easy they are to catch. Quinn here was raised from just tiny, and we picked him up and played with him, and so did his previous owners. And so he's not afraid of us. We can just kind of walk up and grab him whenever we want. He'll also, if he knows there's food going in his hutch, he'll come and go in his hutch. It seems like my rabbits spend a lot of time like this. She's just chilling. Aren't you supposed to be doing rabbity things like jumping and running? So far I've been really enjoying this system of having the yard for the bunnies. Ultimately, of course, the plan is to somehow run them with the chickens that have their own fence over there. And I haven't let the chickens out yet, but what I'd like to do is allow the rabbits to run with the chickens. They can knock down all the grass and weeds, and then I plant it out with something nice for rabbits to eat, and that will cut down on my feed bill. Ultimately, this entire homestead is centered around the rabbits, so anything we can do to make the homestead better for them is what we're gonna do, and the chickens are just gonna come along for the ride. Some people have asked me about aerial predators, and we don't have many in our area. Like, I've never seen hawks or anything really. And also I made sure I put the rabbit hutches underneath these 2 trees, and once they leaf out, that will be completely shaded. The sun doesn't start until, about the end of their yard there. So they'll have a little bit of cover, and to keep them cool in the summer, I noticed that they were already panting today, and it was only 60 degrees. Look at these happy bunnies. You had a rough day today, Quinn? Was that about enough running around? She's just shocked by the fence. Quinn, don't bite that. Who's that, Quinn? Oh, bye.